T-minus 30 seconds. T-minus 20 seconds.
Falcon 9 is configured at flight pressures.
T-minus 15. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We have liftoff of the Falcon 9. Falcon 9 has cleared the tower.
Michael Hammersley, materials engineer, and I'm going to talk you through some of what you're seeing and hearing as the vehicle continues to ascend. You can tell that we've had a successful liftoff initially. The Falcon 9 has cleared the towers, and it is rapidly approaching what's called maximum aerodynamic pressure. This is known as max Q. It's when the rocket is pushing hardest against the atmosphere.
Speed 550 meters per second, downrange distance 2.3 kilometers.
For this. You can see the engine plume.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
The engine plume widening as the rocket is increasing in altitude and there's less pressure.
Telemetry power still look healthy. MVAC has begun chill.
MVAC chill means that the second stage engine is preparing itself to ignite. Shortly after main engine cutoff, we're going to separate the stages and begin the second stage ignition.
T plus 2 minutes. Speed 1.2 kilometers per second. Downrange distance 11 kilometers.
Main engine cutoff approaching shortly. Returning to land as the second stage powers the Orbcomm satellites to low Earth orbit.
Stage 1 is on its foot.
The fairings have successfully deployed. You can hear everyone is phenomenally excited here. The Merlin vacuum engine is burning bright as it's moving up to speeds approaching 8 kilometers per second. The first stage will soon begin its series of 3 burns to head back towards Cape Canaveral. First, it will reorient itself. It will reorient itself using cold gas thrusters. It will perform 3 more burns as it approaches landing zone 1.
We're at T plus 7 minutes, 30 seconds. Everything continues to go nominal, as we like to say here at SpaceX. Falcon 9 continues to power its way into orbit. The second stage is building up to 4.7 Gs of acceleration. Now, currently, we're about 2 minutes away from shutdown of the second stage engine to get into orbit. Engine performance continues to be nominal. I'm looking at the trajectory. We're going right down the middle of the track. That's good news. We're right where we want to be. For the first stage, you heard about the first boost back burn. Coming up in another minute or so, or coming up very shortly, is the entry burn, and then hopefully the landing burn. And you hear the cheering in the background.
ourselves down as we get closer and closer to the landing pad.
Yes. Now this stuff is super, super hard. Not only do we have a series of maneuvers that we need to achieve in order to get that rocket back down to the ground, but it's actually a super complicated thing. Like, you did some cool analogies, some cool math to figure this out, right?
I tried to figure out how hard this really is, and so I crunched the numbers with the size of the rocket and the size and how high it's going. What's happening with the first stage is it's like launching a pencil over the Empire State Building, having it reverse, come back down, and land on a shoebox on the ground in a windstorm. That's what's
happening. That's the critical part.
Yes, and I don't think I could throw a pencil over the Empire State Building and catch
thing
a
to try to do.
And the crazy thing is, we're like 30 seconds away from this crazy maneuver. This extremely energetic room is a hush. Just getting the last bare minutes going in. Landing legs should be deploying in about 10 seconds or so. That is a view from the landing pad.
That is that first stage coming back down to land and kicking up. History in the making, guys.
Stage 1 is landed.
LZ-1, the Falcon is landed. Landing operators moving to procedure 11.100, Section 3 on LZ-1 VNet and recovery net.
Repeat, the Falcon has landed.
never seen a group of people more excited, like freaked out excited, like the looks in people's eyes there. And I gave someone a jumping hug. It's hard to understand what a big moment this is. Every single space agency in the world is watching this. This is, I mean, there's so many quotes of people in space agencies saying, this will never be done. Like 5 or 6 years ago, people saying, it's not possible to land the first stage. And they did it. You guys did it. Nice going.